Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p and the Vivo Y19. And the Vivo Y19 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with a 4 GB of RAM, while the Huawei Y7p comes with a Huawei Kirin 710F CPU with a 4 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back. So very interesting to see who is perform faster. So let's get right into it and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo camera first, little bit faster on the Y7p. Both phones is on their latest software version, which is of course is the Android 9, and you can see Huawei Y7p is just a tiny bit faster there, while the Vivo Y19 is also right behind there, about half a second difference between these devices. We have a IPS LCD display on both phones, no Super AMOLED display. We have a punch hole display on the Vivo Y7p versus a water top notch on the Vivo Y19. So let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see at both phones is on the same Wi-Fi network. And the first application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer, little bit warm up. Here we go. And that is little bit faster on the Huawei Y7p, followed by the Vivo Y19. Let's open up the settings, and that is again little bit faster on the Huawei Y7p. Mic lock on both phones, boom, and again about the same on both phones, maybe a little bit faster on the Y7p. Calendar, and again about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's opening up the Spotify, and that is faster on the Y7p, followed by the Vivo Y19. So let's open up the Zedge, and that is again a little bit faster on the Huawei Y7p, which faster there, while the Vivo Y19 it is still taking some time, and now it is also done. Let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, launching at the same time, and the display quality is also much better on the Vivo Y19 according to the viewing angle, and you can see Huawei Y7p is again faster there. Let's open up the Subway Surfer, and that was exactly the same on both phones. Very shocking result. Temper Run 2, boom. Seems like Y7p is again faster there. Just a tiny bit faster than the Vivo Y19, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there between the Y7p and the Y19. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser on the Y7p versus a Vivo internet browser on the Vivo Y19. We have a wikipedia.org that is faster on the Vivo Y19, while the Huawei Y7p it is still taking some time, and now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website, and you can see Vivo Y19 is first in the loading area, and while the Huawei Y7p it is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there between these devices. So let's see the scrolling. Just move this ad, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, although it is a really heavy website, but still both phones perform really good. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 4 GB of RAM. We have a MediaTek chipset versus a Huawei own chipset. Phone dialer, now refresh. Let's see the settings, that got refresh. Mic lock, refresh. Let's see the calendar, again refresh. Spotify, that is again refresh only on the Y7p. Zedge, no refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, that got refresh. Subway Surfer, that is not refresh on both phones. The temper and to last we are back to the internet browser. As you can see, no refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Huawei Y7p, but the game app loading time it is faster on the Y7p, about 1 or 2 second difference there. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo Y19, but almost all the application is refreshed on the Huawei Y7p. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p and the Vivo Y19. Let me know what you guys think about this new Huawei Y7p. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.